Hey, what's up guys, it's Path here, back with another video. This video I'm going to unbox the Fitbit Versa smartwatch. I ordered this from Flipkart. This is the box, Fitbit Versa. It's really great. It has everything, heart rate. You get automatic tracks, activity, exercise and sleep, wallet-free payments, on-screen coaching, call, text, calendar and app alerts, continuous heart rate monitoring, interchangeable bands sold separately, 15 plus exercise modes and connected to GPS, 4-day plus battery life, 50 water resistant, stores and plays 300 plus songs. It doesn't have a speaker but nor a microphone. Durable, lightweight design, reach your goals with personalized guidance, music, payments and apps on your list. Okay, so I'll just open from the tab out here. And yeah. Comes. This is the box. Another box. Okay. For those of you who don't know what Fitbit Versa is, it's a fitness band, smartwatch, and its MRP is 21,499. You can buy it on Flipkart and Amazon at a cheaper price. 4 star rating. Okay. So Fitbit Versa. Oh, it's just about the charging manual. Okay, what you get is a band, an extra band. Like they include 2 bands. One is
मुझे कोई बैंड नहीं मिल सका, लेकिन मैं और अधिक स्थानीय व्यापार
Alexa, stop.
जोड़ने पर काम कर रही हूँ.
Again. Okay, so it comes with charging cable and an extra band, and like it has a large one which is extra, one is small which comes with it, so you can just remove one small one and add a large one. It comes with its own charging port but not with the adapter, but that's okay. Okay, so this is packaging is great. I think there's some kind of sensor or something because both of those are covered. Okay, now let's get to the main thing. But with that, even out here you have the safety instructions and limited warranty, that's of no use. And then the main thing itself, the Fitbit Versa smartwatch cum fitness band. Oh my god, this is pretty strong. Okay, so great. Okay, so this is the Fitbit Versa. I don't know if there's some juice in it, means battery, so I'll just open it. Yeah, so here are the 4 heart rate sensors, the charging thingy. To charge it, what you have to do is just place it here. It's, I think, yeah, you don't have to remove the band. Like the Fitbit Blaze, you have to remove it in the Fitbit Blaze, but not in the Versa. And then you have to just press these 2 to remove it or put it. So that's nice. And let's just, okay, so this is it. This was the video on unboxing the Fitbit Versa. I hope you liked it. Thank you.